Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. This is Caleb Gutierrez, your Communications Committee Chairman, bringing you this month's announcement video. We hope you had an absolutely fabulous Shark Week, and now on to this month's gatherings and events. Our FLVS family gathering is happening November 22nd at 11 a.m. So come join and see all your peers, stay up to date on announcements, and socialize a little bit. You can use this Blackboard link right here. Please note that it will be on your Student Council announcement banner and on your Focus portal page as well. As a reminder, teachers are out of the office November 18th to the 20th for training, so make sure to get all your DBAs and appointments done before they go on training. And good luck to all of our teachers in their training. Thanksgiving break is coming up November 25th to November 29th. Teachers will be out of the office, but you can still work in your courses. Have a fabulous holiday week, and we look forward to seeing you when you come back. And then when you come back on December 6th, we're going to have our committee meetings. They're happening at 11 a.m. and this link right here. We would love your help in all the different areas in planning school-wide events. Look forward to seeing you there. Remember to stay up to date by checking your Student Council announcement banner right here. This is the button that you use to stay up to date and find your announcement. But remember, all of these lead to links and you can stay up to date on all school-wide events. The Student Council button changes every month and with the different seasons. So make sure you stay up to date as we're always planning new events such as donations, food drives, and other ways that you can help and assist in the community. Don't forget to check out the senior class website right over here as well, where you can find all this information here right here as well. It's not just for seniors, it is for all students to stay up to date. Last but not least, join us on our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, where you can find out all this stuff on there as well. We're trying to grow each of our platforms, and we look forward to seeing you at all of our different events and donation drives that are happening this December. Have a fantastic rest of your week, and enjoy your Thanksgiving.